People are really enjoying Sonal's character because she's a little, crazy. He's a foodie, I'm a foodie. We used to sometimes, just run off on chart evenings, like in the middle of the scenes when we know there's some like stuff happening. We have like half an hour, 1 hour. We quietly just run away to like a Brijwasi or something, have some Raj Kachori, Pani Puri, and come back. I feel that you never really get typecast when you're playing the girl next door. Because it is something that's so relatable and it is something that is so vast. Like there's no one particular kind of a girl next door. Yeah, no, we're not dating. Come on.
Hi, Barkha. Welcome to East Tonight.
Hi.
So, Barkha, first of all, let me start by asking you this. When this web series called Murder Meri Jaan was offered to you, what was your first reaction when you heard the title of the series?
So very interestingly, the title of the series was decided after we finished shooting for the series. So we were working on another working title before this, which was similar, but I definitely find Murder Meri Jaan a lot more catchy and interesting. Because I remember even when we were shooting, I'd always keep going to the producers and be like, "Sir, naam ka kuch karo na, naam ka kuch karo na," and even Tanush for that matter. So then later it was called Murder Meri Jaan. It was never called Murder Meri Jaan also.
Right. So tell me what response you have received from your fans, after they have watched the series.
So in fact, today all the episodes have finally been aired because Hotstar Quicks was launching one episode a day. So today they're finally all on air. So now is when I'll actually get a proper response. But from all the messages I've been getting, the direct messages I've been getting on Instagram or, when I'm looking at IMDb comments or Twitter comments about it with the hashtags and all of that, people seem to really like it. Like people are really enjoying Sonal's character. Because she's a little, crazy. But the response is good because apart from, critics having spoken about it, a lot of people like the ARM audience also have really come forward. They've in fact put up stories. So because it's an OTT platform, you really can't, there's no direct way to gauge the reaction. And the only way I think I can do it on a personal level is from my social media handles. So, it's really nice to see just people unknown, like I don't know who they are and like I don't know anything, but like they're putting up stories and like really promoting the show like it's their show. So I think that's a good sign. Touch wood, fingers crossed. I hope people continue to watch it and like it.
Right. So how was your experience of working with Tanuj? If I'm not wrong, this is the first time you collaborated with him.
Right. This was the first time Tanuj and I worked together and it was okay. We didn't really get along on I'm joking. We got along really well. I think I killed this joke too soon.
Some great things about Tanuj as well. Some things about you, that how you guys fought on the sets and everything.
Actually, we never fought. I was trying to do this joke where I was like, I hated being with him on set and this and that. But I just smiled. But no, Tanuj is actually a great co-actor. And I don't know if you heard the story already now, but our first meeting was very, very crazy because I was down with food poisoning and he had just, I think, wrapped up a show in Bombay. So he came on board only 2 days before the project, by the way. It was very last minute. There were some last minute massive changes, and the next thing I know, my actor is another guy. So he came on board only 2 days before the project, and I think he just wrapped up another show or something. So he'd come back from a party to Bhopal one evening before the show, and he was hungover. And I had food poisoning, and both of us were sitting like that at the table when we had to meet for the first time, And the vibes were just really off. And I was like, I don't want to shoot with this guy for a month. And I'm sure that's exactly what he was thinking about me, she's so low energy and silent and cold. And both of us were just not feeling good at that day, on that evening. But once obviously we did start shooting and we started doing scenes together, it was a lot of fun. I think we, because we got along that well, we were able to play off each other's energies for the scene, and it kind of has translated because a lot of things in the episode weren't in the script. We kind of improved it as we were shooting. And a lot of it actually got retained also in the final cut. And apart from that, yeah, like he's a foodie, I'm a foodie. We used to sometimes, just run off on chat evenings, like in the middle of the scenes when we know there's some like stuff happening. We have like half an hour, 1 hour. We quietly just run away to like a Brijwasi or something, have some Raj Kachori, Pani Puri, and come back, So I think overall it was a great experience working with Tanuj. He's really nice as a co-actor and as a friend.
But if we see your career graph, you have done TV, you have done web series, you have done movies, everything. I would like to know, what do you enjoy the most what you do? Like, you seeing yourself on the big screen, or you're okay with OTT? What it is? And nowadays I have to say that one of your e-commerce, ads are like trending on TV.
Yes. I think it's a difficult question to answer, to be very honest. But I definitely like to put it out there that I consider myself very, very, very lucky to have been, been able to, or to have had the opportunity to be seen in different platforms, whether it's television commercials, whether it's, YouTube short format, whether it's full-fledged YouTube shows, whether it's OTT shows, whether it's films, whether it's OTT films. So, touchwood, I think I've been very, very lucky that way. Now, to answer your question, what do I prefer? See, very honestly, for me, it's the project more than the medium. Because we also need to understand now that OTT is really growing. Like Radhe came on OTT, like the proper full-fledged mainstream. And not just in India, world over, there's some great content being produced on OTT specifically for OTT. There is still this old school charm of watching yourself on a 70mm screen and all of that. But I think we also need to keep up with the times because the industry is ever changing, very dynamic. So I don't think it's the platform that really matters. I think for me, it's more of the character that I get to play, the project that I get to be a part of, the people I get to work with. That for me is more important than the medium itself.
So, Barkha, if we see your work, we have mainly seen you doing the sweet, bubbly characters. But do you feel somewhere on the other hand, is there a kind of hesitation that, you might get typecast soon in doing that?
I feel that you never really get typecast when you're playing the girl next door. Because it is something that's so relatable and it is something that is so vast. There's no one particular kind of a girl next door, like even when you are playing that sweet, bubbly girl next door, there are always layers to different characters, given their situations, given their city, their age, their social background, their economic background. So, no, I don't feel I'll get typecasted. Also, I had the chance, Sonal was kind of a break in Murder Meri Jaan, was kind of a break from like the simple, sweet, bubbly this thing, because she is smart and simple, but at the same time she's a con woman. So like that was a big difference also, and like you have to, like for me, the biggest challenge while playing Sonal was to maintain that sweet, bubbly outer face, while at the same time, without divulging too much, show that layer of a con woman still there. She's still always looking to run away or to fool people or to loot someone and all of that. So while I am very, very interested and hoping to explore different kinds of roles, maybe something more dark, maybe something more intense, playing Sonal was a first step in that process because it was layered. It was quite layered, Sonal's character.
So what's happening next after Murder Meri Jaan? Where do we see you?
You see me in some really interesting projects actually, but because everything has been put on pause, they haven't been announced yet, which is why I can't be the one announcing them and not getting into trouble. So hopefully we speak next month or something once this lockdown's open. I'll be shooting for those projects and I'll tell you all about them.
Okay. So lastly, I would like to tell you this. We have seen you a lot with Ayush Mehra and there has been an amazing chemistry that you both share. If we go on Google and we type R. Barkha Singh and Ayush Mehra, there are two downfalls that we see. Are they dating? Are they married? Now, I would really like to know. Firstly, at least dating? Is Ayush Mehra and Barkha Singh dating if not married?
No, oh my God, don't. Ayush is like a very, very, very close friend of mine. And I think even in the industry, within the industry also, he's one of my closest people within the industry. We share a very great friendship, even when we are not shooting, And yeah, no, we're not dating. Come on. So every time, I know, I'm good. But like every time we do, collaborate on a video, whether it's for Dice TV or whether it's for whatever, you're right, because almost all the comments are like, "Tum log shaadi kar lo, why are you guys not dating in real life?" Like in fact, there was a very funny comment which both of us were really laughing about the other day. Like it's very recent, it just happened this week, where someone had commented saying that "Tum log shaadi kar lo, हम सारा वेब सीरीज छोड़ के आपका IGTV देख लेंगे." So, I mean, it's very sweet that, like our on-screen chemistry has really, really touched people so much so that they actually think we're married or like dating. But no, we're just very, very, very good friends. We're almost like bros. So that's why I just react so funnily when anyone asks us if we are dating.
Right. So, Barkha, it was really nice chatting with you. I am really hoping to see you in more movies and more OTT series. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much. This was fun. Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.